Look at this. This is us. This is us. Oh, yeah, absolutely. As you can see in this picture, we had a little dip, and then we have a rocket ship that's just on fire, just burning out. I love this stuff. Guys, check out the CLOV subreddit, man. They have some pretty good memes in there. So definitely check this stuff out. Well, hey, CLOV Nation, my name is Sean, and this is Sean Stocks. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please use your own judgment and do your own due diligence on anything I talk about today. Today, we are going to again, continue talking about the underdog, the lucky stock, the one and only CLOV, CLOV. This is my 18th video on CLOV. If you want to binge watch my top CLOV videos, including 10 reasons why I like this stock, dismissing FUD, and my due diligence video, there is a link in the description below to a playlist. If you appreciate my close following of CLOV and want to get this video out to more people and help spread the word about CLOV's momentum, please like this video, share with a friend or community, and subscribe. Keep in mind, the more likes and subscribes, the more the YouTube algorithm is likely to push out this video to more people and keep this CLOV momentum going. So with that being said, let's get started. Another green day. Another green day, everyone. It seems that we are heading on the right track with CLOV. We again saw a ton of volume today, about the same as yesterday, with 152.25 million shares traded today. The previous day's close was sitting, just around $12.63, and we opened up the day at $13.95 and held strong. We held above that $13 line throughout the entire day. What more can you ask for? We did have one point where I was wide-eyed and I was like, are we going to go under 13? Is this really going to happen? But no. We stayed above 13, and our intraday low was sitting about $13.11. At the end of the day, we ended up at $13.83, which was a 9.5 increase for the day. But that wasn't all of our energy. It wasn't, because after hours, man, we were killing it. This stock went up 1.88%, all the way above $14 to $14.09 where it ended. That is a big move, and it is just really moving up $1 at a time. I really hope that this momentum stays and we get above that $20 soon, so that we can see even bigger increases in the stock price and potentially start a squeeze as well. But what does the data say? How are we doing? Well, we're going to check out a few places, right? So we're going to check out a few places. The first one is going to be Ortex. It's going to be Ortex. Looking at the Ortex data for the day, we saw a 42.61% for the current short interest percentage of the free float, okay? So still above 40%, and that is really promising. Also, even with the amount of volume that we have, we still have a 1.09 days to cover as well. And my favorite data point on Ortex is the utilization rate. We are sitting at 100%. We are crushing it. Next, we're going to move on and we're going to check out iBorrowDesk. And that rate is wicked. 19.9% fee with 250,000 shares available. Let me tell you, yesterday we only had, I think it was 8%. Yeah, we only had an 8.8% fee. So that is 19.9%. So that's more than double. So we're seeing, again, a large amount of movement, a lot of momentum, really exciting stuff. Next, we're going to go back to Webull. We're going to go back to Webull and check out the order flow. I like to see this order flow because it tells me what are the large scale orders. Today, we saw that we had 4.35 million large scale orders. Yesterday we had 7.19, and Monday we saw 3.2. As long as we see those green bars, it is always a good sign. But how is this stock trending? Half the battle is, looking at the stock, looking at the data, but we still need that momentum. We still need that conversation in the forums and stuff. So we're going to check out a website called Ape Wisdom. And as you can see, we talked about it yesterday. And as you can see, today, it is number uno. It is number one. In the past 24 hours, this has gone up. There's been 1,411 mentions, 24,774 upvotes. CLOV is sitting at number one. What did I tell you? We have been on top of our game with our posts, our memes, and everything in Reddit. Also, this subreddit that I was on, I was looking at all the memes. They're really a lot of fun. This subreddit has over 30,000 members, okay? It's 30,000 strong and growing daily, so make sure to check out the link to the subreddit in the description below to be part of that movement. For the stock news of the day, we're going to move on. We're going to move on to the stock news of the day because we got some SEC filing here, okay? So this is a SEC rule, SR NSCC 2021-002 that went into effect today. Here is the article real quick. So what does it do? Well, let's check out a news article on it real quick and see. So what this says is this rule tweaks supplemental liquidity deposit requirements, okay? And this SLD, I'll say SLD for short, it changes are devised to tighten loose ends significantly. Number one, drastic time frame reduction for calculating and collecting deposits from 1 month to daily or even hourly requirement verification. Number two, each member will be scrutinized based on daily activity instead of historic settlement activity. Number three, granular intraday scrutiny of SLD calculation and collection. So at the end of the day, this ruling may be the biggest catalyst for short squeezes that we have ever seen. So hopefully we can see this affecting our beloved stock this week and see some big movements. But with all this in mind, don't lose sight of even the bigger picture here. CLOV has some amazing fundamentals. As I talked in my due diligence video, there should be like something above to click on it. This company has a great potential to move up regardless of a squeeze. It's a triple play. We have a gamma squeeze potential, we have a short squeeze potential, and we have a long-term potential fundamentally. My conviction for this stock is still really strong, and I hope it is for you too. So as I always mention, patience is key with this play as momentum still needs to build. I'm excited to see if this week, looking at this chart, look at this chart. If we continue this, is this week going to be the week of a squeeze? We'll have to see. Only time will tell. But if you like this content and want me to continue following CLOV this closely, hit the like button, share with a friend or community, subscribe, and have a lucky trading day, you lucky people. Take care. Bye-bye. Wow, look at that.